Mackie W5 full-screen electronic control integrated interlock sewing machine. Full-screen operation panel. Full voice prompt. Realize another upgrade of the appearance and function. Create the ultimate experience for users. Direct drive motor, strong power, excellent ability of over heavy materials, faster sewing speed, and the maximum speed reaches 5,000 RPM. Integrated shaft design, ladder sound, and reduces noise by more than 20% than normal interlock sewing machines. Automatic integration, saving time and effort. Automatic thread trimming. Automatic presser foot lifter. Convenient and efficient. Smart sewing, higher quality. The touch operation screen is more intelligent. Various parameters can be easily adjusted.
开启剪线后抬腰脚。
Large space, easy to operate and use. Whether it's appearance or performance, W5 will bring you a different sewing experience. It is not only widely used in knitted underwear, sportswear, t-shirts, bras, with-skirt elastic brand, and other elastic fabrics, but also suitable for curling sewing of underwear, sports shirt collars and cuffs. Mackie hold core intelligent sewing technology.